Hi everyone. Today we have a best P195 P series best insert. And today I'm going to show you how to link an ACR3 remote control up to any of the P195 series units. There are two different remotes for the P195 that we came out with. If you flip the remote over right in the middle, it'll say REV 1.3 or REV 1.5. The 1.5 is the newest revision, so if you have a new unit, you're going to use the 1.5 sequence. How you link this remote to this insert is you're going to press and hold, and I hold the remote like this, and I call this the 12 o'clock button, and I call this the 6 o'clock button. There's a little indicator light at the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock button at the same time, and I'm going to do it now. There's going to be a blue indicator light that'll flash on the remote. There it is. And then you're going to release, and then I'm going to press and release the 6 o'clock button, and then I'm going to press and release the F button on the unit. And now the unit is linked. For the Rev 1.3, it links a little differently. So what you're going to do if you have a Rev 1.3, you're just going to press and hold the 6 o'clock button until the light flashes. You're going to let go, and you're going to press the F button, and then that unit will be linked as well. That's as simple as that. I hope this video helps.